On 24th of September, Dilip Singh Rongpar, along with his wife Nisha Rongpipi, resident of Hori Taru village under Dokmoka police station, went for a walk early in the morning at around 5:30 a.m. when the couple met a horrifying incident. A speeding car bumped into the couple from behind, killing one at the spot. It was reported that the couple was having their time, taking a walk early in the morning at around 5:30 a.m. when a car bearing registration number AS01 EV 9414 heading from the south came with an unceasing speed and hit the couple from behind. It was also informed that Dilip Singh Rongpar died at the spot while his wife was taken to Dokmoka Medical Sub-Center, where the doctor of Dokmoka SMC referred her to Guwahati. But due to sustaining critical injuries, she breathed her last midway to Guwahati. The driver of the car and his co-passengers were taken to Dokmoka police station for further investigation. They were identified as Rohit Sharma, Mondip Barua, Akash Sharma. Dokmoka police took over the case and the deceased bodies were sent to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem. Bikram Teron's report, Karbi Anglong Live.